Hi guys, hope everybody is doing great today. So today I'm going to cook Turkish food, so that is Turkish Pilaf. So it's very famous since Ottoman till today. People love that food and they eat it in occasions like festivals or any sort of things. So I'm going to give little twist in it, so I'm going to use little Middle East spices. So it's in my previous video, you can watch if you haven't watched it yet. So please do like my video and subscribe to my channel. Cheers! So let's get started. The pan is in heat, so we'll add oil in this. Say 1 cup of oil, and we'll add onions in this. 1 chopped onions. We're not going to use full, so we're going to use half of it. Mix this a little bit. So we'll add little spices, and then we'll add chicken. Then we'll add our chickpeas. So we soaked it overnight, so it's gonna give little soft texture inside. So we'll add in this and mix it well. The chicken should be cooked 50%. Then we'll add our other ingredients. So we'll let this up for say 15 minutes, and then we'll do other procedure. So let's see how it's come. We'll mix a little bit, and then we'll add our salt and pepper, and then we'll again lit it up. Now we're gonna lit this up for 2 minutes. That's it. Now we'll see. Now we'll add a paprika, 1 spoon of paprika, and then we'll add our spices, Middle East spices. So you can check my video for the spices, how it's made. Mix it well. So I'm sorry, I forgot to press the record. So we soak this rice for say 1 hour, and we add in vermicelli in this before that. So I missed it, I'm sorry for that. So first you're gonna add vermicelli and leave it for 1 minute, and then you add rice in this. So rice, and then we're gonna add water in this now. So water, you're gonna keep it till your finger goes in. So till here, and then leave it for a boil, and it will be ready. This now. And then we will lit this up. So it's ready now. You see how beautiful it's come. I'll show you in a part. Everything is cooked very well. So what we're gonna do is, now we're gonna keep this aside and we're gonna do a topping from this. So let's take this. So we're gonna add ghee in this. Pure desi ghee. Add nuts in this. So till then we're gonna take our rice in this. So we'll add our nuts in this. And then we'll add our caramelized onions. So it's ready. So yeah, it's ready. So please do try this at home. It's very simple recipe. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Cheers.